Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to talk to you all about cooking fried eggs in the air fryer. I've got a big pack of eggs here. So let's do a paper liner fried egg. And paper liners weren't about when we first started air frying, but now they're just so popular, and we often have about 3 packs of them that we order at once from Amazon, and then we can use them as much as we want, and they're perfect for things like fried eggs, omelettes and stuff like this. So let me show you the paper liners first. These are the packs of the paper liners that I get. And if you've not used a paper liner before, then that is what they look like. Let me just zoom out so that you can see it better. And the only problem you have is, we've done it for the photos for Recipe This. If you look for our air fry fried eggs, we've just left it like that and put it in the air fryer. And we find that this works best in the jewel. But because it's the paper liner, it's the shape for a jewel and not necessarily a round air fryer basket, that you can end up with it flapping. So when you're doing the fried eggs, you can end up like that, where the fried egg and the paper liner gets stuck to it. You can take a chance. It doesn't take a second to pull the paper liner off slightly when your fried eggs are cooked, if you don't want to faff, or you can fold it over. So what you can do, upside down like this, half fold it like that, and then it creates your very own, really. It's just like it's become greaseproof paper or parchment paper where you live, or baking paper, depending on what you call it. So you've just kind of made it flat now, so it won't flap about in the air fryer. So then the air fryer is already preheated. So if you do it like that, it's not going to fly about now, and you've got your perfect surface now for your fried eggs. Or if you prefer, you might just have some parchment paper flying around that you can use. And then we're looking for placing them at either side of the air fryer. So grab your other egg, do it like this. And then you want a quick bit, salt and pepper, and then very, very gently place them in. And then looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 6 minutes, and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So let's check on the paper liner fried eggs. And I mean, I'll say now that it's my least favourite way of doing it because the paper liner moves about a bit, but it looks the most like a traditional fried egg. So from a food photography point of view, you would say this was the best method, but from I'm at home and I just want to quickly fry an egg and see if I can do one in the air fryer, it's probably the least favourite. So let's have a look, shall we? And yeah, it's very easy for them to stick, but look at that other fried egg. I mean, doesn't that egg there look absolutely amazing, like how a fried egg would actually look? But as you can see, the paper liner sticks to it quite a lot. But another benefit that paper liners have that I'm really fond of is the fact that they're so much easier to get out the air fryer. You think of the struggle with the casserole dish, it's so hot and the air fryer is such a small space, so you're like grabbing it and you don't want to burn the side of your hands or whatever. But with paper liners in the air fryer, they're so much easier to get out. So to get out of the air fryers, you can simply grab it like that, pull it out, And that is your fried eggs using the paper liner. And as you can see, that's so much easier for grabbing out. And then for the yolk, you've got perfect runny yolk, as you can see. And even the one that's stuck to the side of the air fryer, still perfect runny yolk. I mean, you look at those, it looks like a fried egg. It is the best fried egg. And also, if you're on diet, no oil. Absolutely zero oil. So if you're on Weight Watchers, you're on Slimming World, you want to enjoy fried egg and you're sick of missing them or having to use silly spray that just damages your pans, then this is the best option. And if you look at that, that looks like a fried egg. If you took that away from the paper liner, served it up for someone for dinner, they wouldn't believe you that it came out of an air fryer because it looks like a frying pan fried egg. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.